Today is Tuesday, January 26th. This is a 1967-1968 Cadillac Deville Convertible header and A-pillar trim garnish moldings for the Deville Convertible. And these units have been completely refinished in the original 386 saddle brown interior trim code for 1968, specific for my friends at Martin in Alabama. And these will be going out as soon as I get their okay to ship, reply confirmation, along with the fully restored show quality steering wheel and steering column, tilt and telescopic steering columns to match. Also in the original 486 saddle interior trim code for 1968. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1970 Cadillacs, over 250,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Tuesday, January 26th. Thank you very kindly.